You have a mic symbol, you just mute it. Yeah. Mohan, next when your name, you have a mic, you just click on that, it will go on mute.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah. Whenever you want to speak, you just click on unmute, then automatically we can discuss. Okay, later I'll be speaking, that's right. Okay. An answer for your question to the yesterday's. So what we can do is I'll be discussing actually every day related to the daily exercise and what we are going to do. It's a completely an interactive session with the system. So once we are done with that everything, what we can try basically is a kind of a case study which we can take and we can plan to do that. As you also know, I think everybody from a finance background, we may not get entire data on our system, but we can try how to achieve these kind of flows. Okay. I hope this makes sense, correct? So what we will do is we can just create this kind of flow, and this is an actual case study which I was part of that earlier. Okay, so what I will do is I will explain each and every requirement here so that you can just work on that. Okay, this is one of that. I will try to give much more. Okay, based on the interest of the each and every candidate. Okay, then definitely you can work on it. Is that okay?
Yeah, but still it is not clear. What you said is we will get some case study and we will be practicing or doing configuration or something like that in the system.
If anybody can complete that, I'll be happy. I'll brief about everything like this.
Okay.
So what we will do regularly daily is I'm going to do it everything basically with the help of the system only, because yesterday someone asked what exactly we will do it. We will walk through via system only. It's not a theory class, only theory class I mean to say. Okay, it's not only a theory class. Along with the theory, what we will do is we'll walk through like this. Okay. So today I'll just go through with the system and I will brief everything what exactly as a part of a system we will do. Because course study, course content, everything, I hope everybody will get from the organizer as well as on the website. Everything is the same. I just no need to every time just by showing. It's something like I just want to have an interactive session. That's why I just plan like this. Okay. Showing the course content and again working with, yeah, this is what you are going to do like that. Better not to have us, we can do like this. So anyway, this is a BPC server. How we are going to log into the BPC server, I think some of you guys already know, but still I'm just go. As a beginner, I will start everything. We have a URL in 10.0 onwards. So this URL actually, yeah, your organizer will provide with you. So we are going to enter it in the browser, and most of the times make sure this URL works only in Internet Explorer, not any other browser. That's a dependency which you need to see. If it works in any other browser, glad to hear also if it really works in any other browser apart from the Internet Explorer. So if it is not working, don't try and don't waste your time, and it only works with Internet Explorer.
Satish, excuse me, what is the version of Internet Explorer? Is it 10 or something like that required?
Yeah, it should be 10.
Okay.
You can just see. Wow, this is 7.
So it works on 7 also?
Yeah, there should be a download compatibility. A 2008 server contains 7. Yeah, at the same time, yeah, let me log in, then I will just tell the rest. I hope my password. Thank God it works. If it is late for you guys, we will take this session 1 hour early if it is fine with everybody, and if you are able to reach your home early at the same time, that's also matters. We'll just see the convenient time later. Yeah, if you have a question, yeah, always you unmute next. You don't need to raise the hand.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself and ask.
Yeah, it's okay. I think 8 p.m. EST, that would be fine.
Okay, we'll just check with organizer also,
Yeah, yeah.
everything put together, and everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can check it out.
Okay, this is the first screen actually which you are going to see on a screen. Once you log into the, so this we call it as a start page of BPC. Even if you know BPC, just please be with me for some time so that I just want to know whatever I know. I just want to say this is what exactly we can go step by step by. So what we have in the start page, another way we call this as a web client. Yesterday, which I showed with you. So what we have as a part of a architecture, which I showed, I believe. I'll go back and I will show that also first. I think will be somewhere here. So you have BPC planning clients, sorry, BPC clients, admin, Microsoft client, web, thin, and others. So how exactly we are going to work now is the one which I just shared. It's a web client. So if you log in, it becomes a problem 2000. Yeah, this is a web client. Okay, in the web client we'll have start page, activities, library, process monitor, documents, consolidation central, consolidation monitor, etc. Everything, whatever you are viewing on my screen. So each and everything, how it works, that's what exactly we need to know. Apart from that, right hand side you can see the launch. The launch, you have clients Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and a planning and consolidation. If I click on this, now you can see all the one which I told yesterday as a part of a BPC, what we are going to do. We have dimensions and models. Models are nothing but your applications earlier. So nothing, for example, you are going to do a small case study as a planning case study which you want to create, or a consolidation case study related to one up you want to create. So all those things actually will create as a part of a model. I'm not giving as is definition what SAP gives now. Today I am going to walk through only the regular example, something like how easy for everybody to understand when I apply all this to the project. Okay, that way I just want to discuss today. And tomorrow onwards, I'll just, as per BPC, how exactly we discuss, that way we'll discuss. Today, as I said yesterday, I'll just brief how the project works, what exactly we're going to do. That's what I just want to brief. So whatever we have any application, let's say you want to do some forecasting planning, which I just told just now, showed right now. Okay, so the forecasting planning which you want to create. So under the model, actually we will create forecast planning. Then if you click on that, for example, if I double click here, under this I have all the dimensions like account, category, entity, product, RPT currency, scope, and time. So these dimensions, if you observe, it's outside here. Okay, so we will create dimensions and we will add data to the dimensions. How we will add, what it exactly we will discuss later. I'm just giving you an overview. We will create a dimension, and in other words, there are user defined dimensions and there are standard dimensions which you can observe here. Okay, here you can see user defined and the rest here are SAP provided. Any user defined you can see with a letter with U. We'll create a user defined dimensions and we'll go with standard dimensions, and whatever way we are going to use it, we will make use of all using of those dimensions, and we add those dimensions to a model. This model is nothing but I said as a forecasting process or any other planning model or a ownership model. Then we are going to apply business rules for that, whatever way it is, a logic scripts or member formulas, anything. And even business process flows also we can implement there. And further what we can do is we can apply security for that. But the process is reverse, which I just told. The moment I start creating a model, I start providing the security only. Okay, this what exactly any project when you are going to work, each and every step how we will do it, I am going to show. So for example, if I go with a planning model, what exactly we are going to do? As a part of the session, you are going to learn what kind of a planning which you can create. The moment if I create planning, what are the mandatory dimensions which you need to add to the planning, and what are the user-defined dimensions which you can add. That's up to us. But every model will have standard dimensions to add that I will just brief. It's a type of the model. When you choose the type of the model, there are X number of standard dimensions you have to add based on the type of the model. Because if you observe here, we have a different models like consolidation model, planning model, ownership model, rates model. Okay, depends upon the type of the model. Some standard dimensions. Standard means I'm not saying something like SAP provided dimensions. You can have user defined model also, sorry, user defined dimension also, but only thing is that user defined belongs to exactly whether it is sufficient with respect to those dimensions. You can copy the same account and you can create one more account. For example, this we have done. But it should be an account model, account dimension to add to a model. Okay. Now, so that's what I mentioned here. Here is an account. Here is UDD if we are seeing. Either we can't create again same dimension. Yeah, user defined one. This is just make sure it should be an account type. So when we are creating a model, we will just add an account model or a category model, entity model. Apart from that, in user defined model, which you can plan, let's say, as a part of a product planning, what normally we do it. In a simple case study, I'll explain. Your company manufacturing products. So the planning you need to do when they are manufacturing the products. The planning can be, as I said yesterday, a monthly planning or yearly planning or long-term planning. But when you are manufacturing a product, something like you are manufacturing cars, you can't go for a planning immediately only for 1 month, correct? You need to have at least a year plan, otherwise a long-term plan, otherwise you can't deliver your car. And what are the requirements which you need when you are developing that particular product? So everything you have to plan. So your account side, your category side, your currency side, whatever your scope. So all these things which we initially discuss, and then we need to plan. Either it is in the Excel you are going to plan, apart from the Excel you are going to do it right now on the BPC. When you are going with particularly a product, so the product is not part of your BPC. That's why the product you are going to create as a user-defined dimension. So this way actually you are going to add user-defined dimensions to your BPC. If you ask me how many dimensions will be a part of your any of the models, it can be 7, it can be 8, it can be 10. It's not something like a table which you are thinking something like if we, when I was learning I was thought of this, so that's what I have to think that way also. It's not something like a table. A table contains 100 fields. Can I have 100 dimensions? You can have 100 dimensions. I don't think so. There is some restriction which SAP allows us to do, but only thing is it is of no use. As far as my experience, I know, I'm not saying something like with my experience it's not that great, I have to say also. At the same time I feel, yeah, around 2.5 years good experience of BPC. We don't need more than 20 dimensions to add to any of your project, whatever project you handle it. That's what my feeling so far, which I observed. You are going to cross 20 dimensions in any of the model when you are creating. We are inefficient, I have to say. We don't need that much, because why, you will come to know when I click the dimension now. Let me click on the product. See, I have three different products which I created here. So I am creating the structure here under the product as an ID, description, and the total product. What exactly it is, everything I will tell. What is this hierarchy? H1 is nothing but a hierarchy. I'll brief about that again when we create. So this way, each and every dimension you are going to create a structure, and nothing but product A, product B, product C is nothing but my data, and all the data I am tying with respect to my hierarchy. So when we have this kind of an opportunity, we don't need actually hundreds of dimensions to create and for us to go with in a confusion manner. We don't need beyond that. 20, as I observed, that's what I keep on saying, 20. Beyond 20, I don't think so. Any project need to have more than 20 dimensions. That's why exactly we are going to work. I'll brief like this only. Is that okay with everybody? Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Pardon. One way I will say if all are mute, yeah. Otherwise, I'll say I can change myself. Okay. So this way, actually, we are going to land. We'll discuss some models. As you're seeing, some we can create a rate model, we can create a ownership model, we'll create a planning model, and we'll create a consolidation model as a practical. Then we'll work on that way. 50% I'll just talk over the system by showing, and 50% I will talk by showing the slide. I like to come here and show only, that's what you paid. Okay, that's not something like by showing some presentation and I'll keep on talking on that. Yeah, you require a theory, I accept, but still we'll work both the ways. I'll show the screen and I'll talk related to that topic. Okay, so that's what exactly we are going to do. As I said, we make use of your security, we make use of the rules, we make use of the business process flows, we make use of the features. Then how exactly your entire project works, which I'm going to brief. As immediately we can't go by taking one case study, and I'm going to talk about the only by talking, as I just told about car manufacturing, which you all want to plan. If I start taking that case study, what will happen is some of you may understand, some of you may not understand what exactly this guy is talking about. Everybody will feel. To overcome that, what I will do is we will start talking about dimension, what exactly it is. What is an environment? As I said yesterday here. Okay, it's an environment. And what is the dimension? What is model? What are control settings you have here? What are the logic scripts? And what are the, should be having one good environment here. This another environment which provided by an SAP for any of you to learn completely. I'll walk through that entire case study. So what exactly an environment means? I'll not tell the SAP definition today. I'll just tell only what you can understand. When you are working in any place, we always tell my environment. So the same way in SAP, for each and every project can have its own environment, or each and every task, whatever you want to perform, then you can create your environment here so that everything, whatever you save, will be under one location. In other way to say, in Windows, if you are creating a folder, everything you are going to store under one folder. So that is nothing but my environment in BPC. So everything I am storing under one location so that when I want to track it automatically, I can just check. This is related to an administrator if I want to track it, yes. Or even if I want to transport, yes, I want to transport everything, put it together related to one case study or one project, whatever you have. So how I can keep track of that? It's very difficult wherever way I want to create. At the same time, I think you guys are aware about the package concept in SAP, how it works, as you are from a FI background. So when you create a package in SAP by using your SC80 and you create whatever task you define, everything will be under one location so that you do the transport or you release the transport by using some transaction code. Here, we are not working with related to your transaction code environment. That's why we need to store everything under one location. This becomes actually the back end of my server. That is nothing but a BW server. It becomes my transport movement where I can track there. For example, you're seeing my environment as my name Kumar Satish. Okay, the same environment will be available in BW in a simple way for you to show. People, anybody know about BW? Yesterday someone told I am from technical background also. I hope you know SAP system, correct? That is more than sufficient. No need to know BW. See, this is a BW server. I hope you can see my screen. It's a BW server. On top of the BW server, we have a BPC engine, or I can say it's a layer to my BW server. But for a BPC user or a BPC consultant, no need to worry about BW because it matters to the administrator, not a BPC administrator, your basis administrator. We need to think about the roles in such a way that what kind of a roles we can play in the BPC. Yeah, I think yesterday I was supposed to tell, I think I missed that, it seems. When I recollected after some time. A BPC consultant no need to know entirely something like I'm the master in the BPC. No one can be like that in BPC. You work only in the planning, or you work only in the consolidation, or you work, some people only work on the administration side. So as we have three parts, administration is compulsory for each and every planning and consolidation user to know, because you are going to restrict whatever model you create, some others not to access, and you define the roles. That's why administration is compulsory. If you don't have administration role. Only thing is maybe your one of the teammate will be having the administration rights, and he will define for your model who exactly are able to can access. That's what an administration here. I'm not talking about VPC installation, uploading the patch or applying the patch or going to install MS Office for VPC purpose, or not something like an administrator. Administrator for as far as the VPC is concerned, these are the kinds of tasks. Roles applying. I'm not even saying applying a patch related to your VPC. That work can be done by a basis guy in your environment, not a BPC administrator, because the BPC administrators will be a functional consultant, will be a technical consultant. So the technical consultant, it matters when you are in the administration and having a knowledge of a BW or having a knowledge of how to create that. That's all. You can play a role as a part of a BPC consultant, and every consultant no need to be working something like I work on a planning, I work on a consolidation, but not possible when you are in the project to work completely in both the areas. I don't believe I don't feel also, as far as my observations, one guy only working in all models in one project. Okay, you should be having a team, otherwise we are doing on our own. We don't have one company, apart from your own company, I have to say. Okay, so let me come back. This is the BW. On top of the BW, BPC is installed, as I said yesterday. And you saw the architecture also. Go to the system, status. This is the one actually the software, board BPC. Does this make sense if I go through this way, or you just want my table, my course content is this, you explain me like that? Or can I go with this practical way? Okay, at least after 2 days you will tell me. Okay, it's a BPC. Pardon?
Practical way is better because most of the people already know something about that. I think that is.
I think your voice is not audible. Can you increase your volume? Can you come closer to your mic?
That is on my head.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, is that okay now?
Yes, still actually, I think you need to come little closer. I don't know if you are not using headphones.
I'm using mic. Is already on my face.
Wow. I think you may need to change. You may need to change your headset, I have to say. Now it
I
is
just got it last week.
Wow. So can't invest again.
Is company paid?
Yeah. You need to wait, rethink about that if it is not working for some more time.
Yeah, but
Okay, still it is better. Yeah, still it is better what I can hear a little bit.
Okay, but the way you are doing is good.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Because I don't want actually, because I'm doing training from past 4-5 years. I accept that a lot of trainings I have done. One way I feel is go with the course content. The moment if I observe the people, the audience actually from the technical background or a functional background or a part, they know SAP, better not to talk course content and discuss it daily.
Yeah, that's
because
good.
Already they are fed up with the course contents. Lot of places they have seen the course contents. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. Coming back to the topic, as already I think it's too late for everybody. We'll shift the timing by discussing with our organizer anyway. Meanwhile, so this is the patch, or in patch, in our SAP terminology, we have to say it's an add-on component, whatever it is. Okay, this is an add-on component to your BW. Once you add this component, then you are going to get a BPC. That's what you are seeing as a part of your Internet Explorer here. So this CPM BPC, POA SBC, actually the components which you are going to add. This is not more than 4 GB. In terms of space, if you ask, the size of the software, it's not more than 4 GB in terms of the software size. The moment you add that, you are going to get a layer of your Internet Explorer. On top of the Internet Explorer, you are going to work. We never touch by coming here the back end of the BW engine, only just to show on this engine only your BPC works. Along with that, as I said, we are creating an environment by using an environment we are working. Environment is nothing but one location. For me to track tomorrow, to transfer from a development server to quality server, from a quality server to some other server if you still have, otherwise production server. It depends on the landscape, 3-system landscape or a 4-system landscape. I don't think so people are able to afford 4-system landscape nowadays. Everybody talking about the costing and save. Okay. So let me most of the times assume always 3-system landscape. That's what we always assume. Most of the times nowadays when I observe, even not getting 3-system landscape, client is asking something like, go with a 2-system landscape. I want production, quality and test only in one system. Yeah, it depends on the environment, what kind of an organization you are going to work, and your client also. And it's not something like they already feel I already invested on my software, why I have to invest on the hardware. It depends on the mindset of the managers, not anybody else. Okay. If you demand, automatically company will give, but managers want cost saving, and I think the finance users here always plan like that only. Cost saving, not to be at least penny wise pound foolish. Okay, so the environment actually, if you want to transfer, how we can do, that's what I want to show. If I go with a transaction code here, RSA1, you don't need to remember any transaction code. I repeat, you don't need to remember any transaction code. This is just for everybody to give a knowledge sake. These are the models which we created in BPC. Can you see this? EPM10 demo PL. This is actually SAP demo environment which they provided. Like you get an IDES server in SAP. In BPC, we don't have an IDES server. If Anjuman, Anjum, are you? I think you are not from SAP background or what? As far as I recollect.
No, I am FI certified.
Correct. Oh, one person yesterday was not from my SAP background. That's what I was worrying. I think everybody knows, apart from you three. One more guy was. Okay. We don't have an IDES servers for BW. We don't have an IDES server for BPC. Only IDES servers we used to have, let's say, your regular ERP, ECC we can say, as you all know. Your ECC servers, your CRM servers, those servers actually we get as an IDES for practice. Whereas for BW, BPC, any other server nowadays, SAP anyway, I think they are in a feeling we don't need to give any samples to anybody. So we don't have an IDES server. Right now what they have done is they have given only this environment which contains all types of planning. If you ask me, can I get a full case study? If you can go through, once you know everything about BPC, if each and every model, if you observe, then you can replicate in your project in the same way. Okay, that's a different story, which how to replicate we'll discuss later. So this is an environment, if you observe. Okay, EPM10 demo PL. Let's go back to the browser. Just see this. Under the environments, the technical name you will be seeing in the BW, that's all. Mouse works or not. Yeah, can you say this? EPM10 underscore demo underscore PL. Okay, so this way actually we keep track whatever you create in the BPC will be part of your BW at all. But you don't need to know anything about the BW because this is my engine. On top of my engine, your BPC is working. Under this, for example, you have CapEx. Okay, instead of CapEx, let's say planning. Planning you are seeing here as a cube. Let me go here, go back, click on model here. See, CapEx, consolidation, planning. So when you create a model in your BPC, automatically in the back end, it creates a cube for the BW environment. Because you are going to store ultimately the data, whatever you require for your planning. So those data actually available and store something like in the cube in the back end of the BW engine. That's what the relationship between here and there. If you are very good expert in the BW, we can replicate that way to here also. That is a different story. But we work only on the BPC layer. So whatever you define it here will be available in the BW because it's my database storage location. For BPC, I can just say I'm working on the Oracle background. No, we never say like that. BPC for SAP, BPC for Microsoft only we'll talk. That way we talk as a version. 10.0 also a version that is related to your number. But we have still two versions. Down the line, I think this headache will be removed by an SAP. I hope so. You three are from SAP background, so that's why I will talk SAP terminology now. It's really confusing most of the times the moment the customer says, I have a BPC. Normally what we ask when we say, I'm working on an SAP ERP, immediately we'll ask, are you working on 5.0? Yeah, customer still working on 3.1 also. I'll not say I think US most of the customers, I don't know why still they are working. They don't want to invest or they don't want to move out of the old version, or they are afraid of changing. They don't want to change at all. Okay. The moment you will say ECC, you always say either it is 5.0 or 6.0. Anyway, 6.0 will not change till another 3 years. I'm glad to hear that from SAP. Only thing is, the moment you say BPC, the users who knows, they will they should act as a smart. You just tell me not the version of 10.4 or 10.4 or 7.5 or 7.0. Just ask the customer, are you in Microsoft version? Are you in SAP version, NetWeaver version? That's the best way to ask everyone. Because we never know the customer is working. Recently I encountered the same thing in one area. Okay, East area, really. I assume when I was working on a different project, because I work as a solution consultant, a technical solution most of the times also. The customer told me, I'm working on a BPC. I was happy to hear, yeah, I am implementing the reports here anyway. He is there in the BPC. I can integrate via Webby or a dashboard, whatever it is. Then I'll get some more projects. In the end, he told, I'm working on a Microsoft version, Satish. Can you? I said, yeah, there is no difference for me as far as a BPC is concerned, whether it is a Microsoft version or a SAP version. Only it matters for me is related to my storage. That's why I just want to brief about what I experienced. For me, there is no difference because I am opening in the URL. I am just going to work. My administration not matters at all. I can work like that. I can do my regular planning. Everything I can do. Only my worry works about I don't know anything about my database where it is stored. Yeah, it's not that great difficult if you spend another 15 to 20 days in the environment, automatically you will learn Microsoft BPC also, because nothing matters for us really once you know one BPC, one version here. Only thing is you are an SAP consultant, you never go away. Our brain set is something like a narrow, we never see anything sideways. Like a horse, when it is participating in the race, they just tie correct their eyes next to the eyes. I don't know the word what they call it as. We'll not hear apart from an SAP because we are one of the SAP consultant. I don't know when SAP dies what we are going to do. Is going may die also because I think 2 of the vice presidents left recently last month. So I don't know what is happening in US.
Then we will go to data science.
Nice. I think you are aware about 2 vice presidents, all of a sudden left last month.
Yeah, I don't care. My vice president is there. He's paying me.
Actually, we had a worry now. I don't know because I concentrate on the US market. Even I stay in India. I stay in India. Sorry to say this. Okay. I hope you are not aware or you are aware. I stay in India.
Yeah, but your accent is telling me.
Yeah, I stay in India. Okay. At least not in Hyderabad. I don't like. Okay.
If you are not Hyderabadi, you cannot survive in USA, in SAP.
No. In other way, I don't like the training environment there.
Okay.
Okay. So recently when I observed, because entire my clients belongs to USA. Okay. So earlier I was in Europe with Europe clients. Now I am with USA clients. Recently I observed last month when I was talking to something like quarterly targets, everything, all of a sudden SAP representative was telling 2 vice presidents left. These 2 vice presidents left within 3 hours of time. They didn't discuss at all each other. They just left. They don't know the north market of US, well, how to work. These people left. They are going to join. Everybody believes in Oracle. Just think. No words at all.
Yeah, because US government is pushing that Oracle. The US government is pushing Oracle.
At the same time, just please, we should be aware one way. I was asking only one thing. You work as a sales guy. I think you people know finance really better than me because I'm not from a finance background. I know only finance. When you are working as a sales guy and you are leaving in the 4th quarter and you are leaving your bonus and joining other company in November and you are leaving the bonus. I don't know how much bonus they got, how much hike they got really when they are leaving in November. It was a surprise for an SAP and they don't have a strategy now at all. SAP don't have a strategy. They are just nuts. No. I'm not saying about the product, the management. Okay, coming back to the story here in the BPC, yeah, that we daily discuss. So everything actually as a part of the BW. So whatever we create in BPC, as you are an FI consultant, now anything which is available here, which I can do my transport, or which I can take a backup, everything, my storage area right now is my BW. My BW may be having any database, whether it is a SQL Server database, whether it is a Oracle database, does not matter for me. Ultimately, for me, is a BW engine that becomes my database. So that way actually BPC, whereas when we are working on the SQL Server, let's say Microsoft BPC, all the storage basically will go to straight away to the SQL Server. So that's what actually they structured it. Down the line, I think SAP is going to discontinue Microsoft BPC, but they don't want to tell. Maybe after 3 years or next year, 2-3 versions, let's say 10.1 version is there right now. Maybe after 2-3 versions, they have to discontinue that version. Otherwise, this way I can't speak, or even they can't speak because they don't have a proper strategy right now, and they are afraid of I may lose my existing customers. That's why they're still continuing. Right now I'm seeing my data in BW. They are seeing the data right now, everything related to the SQL Server. That is the only change which I can say related to the Microsoft version and the NetWeaver version. And the rest is same, whatever because we work on the browser. The backend, how it works, does not matter for me. Only thing is if I know that I can enjoy. If I don't know, yeah, I can say I don't know, I am not part of the backend. Both the ways it matters. Being an SAP consultant, better to have some knowledge about what is really happening in the backend, which is in the BW side. That's all. So everything will be a part of. And one other way, your transports I can keep track here. Any change you'll be knowing here. And you have a file backup also in BPC, both the way it works. If I want to move all of a sudden everything to my other server, I can just take a backup of this environment. I can just restore it in the new system. There I can't say backup, I am copying there. Only 2 words here, backup and restore. So this way it works. Okay. So your dimensions, if you observe, this guy showed only model. What about the dimension? Can you see here account P, audit, asset, category, data source, entity, flow, everything again comes here only in the backend BW. Okay? This is just for us to imagine whatever we are doing here in the BPC, how really in the backend also. Just we need to have a knowledge on this. And someone all of a sudden, let's say, can I create a cube here so that it appears, will it appear in the BPC or not? Yeah, we are really that good expert in BW, which we can link. Yeah, why not? Definitely, everything is possible in IT work. So that's why this works. Next. It's not responding. So that's what an environment means. So we create first an environment, then we create model. While creating a model, we choose the type. Let's say, for example, clicking in the model. I'm in the same environment. Little slow, I think maybe okay, in between these two. We'll create properly by taking something, but right now I'm just creating just for you to show. So we have reporting and drivers and rates. Let's take the standard reporting. Then we assign a secure. I'll take the blank. Our SAP gives a provision for us to choose the type of the model which is existing already, and you can choose that. If I choose that, what happens basically is every model, as I said earlier, you have some dimensions. Again, I am just copying the same dimensions. Now I have a possibility to add my own dimensions. So every model you create, we have an indication here from an SAP by default. You can remember as a one word, I will tell later. Okay, let's say a planning model I select. I remember planning as a CEAT. I'm staying in India, that's why I told CEAT tires. Okay, I remember like this. You also apply all these things related to your place. Okay, I'll just say the moment I go with a planning model, I have to create. Hey, what are the dimensions we have to include? Default, mandatory. I should not say default. The mandatory dimensions you have to add in the planning model. I'll just only say CEAT, include CEAT. Okay, then automatically everybody knows, yeah, CEAT is mandatory. Apart from the CEAT is nothing but C, as you know, category, entity, account, and time. For me, it's a CEAT tag. Apart from that, you add whatever dimensions which are you created for your project purpose. You just add that and then proceed. That's what exactly we can remember, because when you are going to write a BPC exam, these are the things which you have to remember. When you are not going to write anyway, your system tells. Okay, both ways. Or when you are going to appear, or when you are going for an interview, yep, people may ask, so you can repeat that way. Already you are lucky enough to are going to work in the BPC in the same company, BPC place in the same company. You don't need to remember. You can start working at that. Okay. Because people will ask, can I write an exam after attending this? Exam is okay. We'll discuss later. Okay. So this way, actually, you have to remember, and you can just proceed. You can just select and the moment I added account, you can observe on bottom A is not there. Now C is not there. We just observe both the red mark side. You can add how many you want. Just click on next. So your model is created with respect to all this. It takes time to create. It takes more than 10 minutes sometimes. Okay, it depends. At the moment I say 10 minutes, if it created, what to say. Okay.
So this model means actually it is a combination of some dimensions, right?
Exactly.
That's it.
Exactly. So dimensions are actually the data which we are going to talk. Model is just a name for me in another folder in a subfolder. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, what I'm thinking is I can relate to COPA, like characteristics, values, and then the segment. This is how
Exactly
it
the
looks
same.
like. It looks like
Exactly
similar.
the same.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
Right.
Yeah. So normally what I, instead of telling other way, that's easiest way to tell. Yeah, that's what environment I always define as a folder.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
people will relate to that. In a folder, I have another subfolder. I am categorizing all my projects. That's why what we do. So
Yeah,
in one folder,
actually all
one
the
project folder, we
database,
categorize.
actually all the database is coming from that COPA, in that operating concern. All the data.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what. That is actually a part of your dimension. Okay. So the model, it just tells the type only. It only tells the type, whether it is a planning model. So based on the type, automatically you have to add your dimensions. It just tells the type. The moment we come to know the type, automatically we feel, yeah, these are the standard dimensions we have to include. So those dimensions actually will have our data. We enter the data, we export the data to that dimensions, or if we are okay, we can get the data from the back end via BW. Those are the things actually we just need to know. As one, I'm not able to hear your, I think not able to judge your name when you are speaking. I said that's the data which you are getting. Yes, the data, how we can get to the BPC. That is what exactly we need to know also, correct? This creation of the model is done. What to do after this? How we can provide the data to the BPC system? That's what actually we need to know. How we can move it. Can I move via flat file? That's what normally in SAP also we do. We just think. People start thinking, hey, BDC, LSMW, all these words I will keep on talking because I still love my ERP. Without that, it's not possible anything. I still love my ECC server. So I relate to that, okay, when I'm talking. So when you are in the BW or we don't know BW, so when we are in the ECC, what exactly we do? We try to transfer the data either via flat file or via LSMW or a BDC technique. Somehow we need data related to your fields. The same way here, for your dimensions, we should have a data. As you said, an ERP contains the data, all my finance data. Can I get it here? Yes. The only thing is that data ECC to BW we move it. From BW we made it available to your BPC. That's what we do. Otherwise you can't plan it, correct? You have a data in your ECC, you want to plan it in the BPC, what to do? ECC to BPC, you can't do it. We move in BW, from BW to BPC, we made it available. Or you go with a flat file approach and upload the data to your BPC. Or sit as a data entry operator and enter manually. These are the ways which we can do. Okay. So these are the techniques actually we need to know. Once we have a data in your dimensions related to your models, then automatically your planning process, how you will apply the rules, your business process flows, that's what actually we have to create. Okay? Yeah, we can have a question and answers now. Any question, all questions are welcome. As far as I know, I will answer.
Hi,
If it
Satish.
is
Mohan.
beyond my level, then I will just refer an answer.
Yes, Satish Mohan here.
Mohan.
When we say that the ECC to BW and the data is available for BPC, so similarly, when we upload some file or enter some journal entries in BPC, will it also be available in BW automatically?
Yeah,
Are there-
obviously. Will be available.
Okay.
It's a
There is
storage
no-
location for me.
Yeah, whatever we enter in BPC, either in BPC or BW, it will be still in BW and can be used in BPC.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, as I said, Microsoft version of a BPC, they store it in the SQL server for a storage purpose. For us in the BPC, our storage location is our BW server. We will not talk about the backend of the BW server related to any database, but for us, we don't know anything in the backend. My backend is BW.
Yeah, okay.
Only thing is, when you replicate this to somebody else, we should be in a position to tell the same way how my backend works. That's all. I mean to say how backend works. Let's say, I can hear some other. I think Anjum need to be on mute or.
Yeah, we may not need all technical details of BW, but the process we should know that how it goes.
Yeah, exactly. You should be in a position to tell when you are talking to somebody else. Yeah. The same way how we are discussing. I think that is sufficient for anybody to know this guy is at least talking sense.
Yeah, at least for understanding. Suppose if it is a Microsoft version, so when the data is transferred from ECC to SQL Server, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Similar to BW, that will be SQL Server.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Only the server is different, but the rest of the things are similar.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions, please? Yeah, Gandhi can't hear because I observed you were offline and again you are back now. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Yeah, from the BPC, can we transfer the data into ECC also, or is just a receiving end?
You can't transfer the data to ECC. Why? I will give you a detailed explanation later for you just to understand immediately. We are talking about a three-dimensional model now and beyond that, multi-dimensional model. BPC is a linear table structure. Immediate answer is that. So for example, when I'm saying BPC is on top of my BW, so on top of my BW means BW stores data in a cube. That's what I showed, correct? CAPEX and everything, you saw a blue cube, correct? So blue cube, the moment I say cube, it's a three-dimensional. From three-dimensional, you can track it to the two-dimensional. It is very difficult for a non-technical, a pure non-technical, I mean to say. You should be a highly technical, I don't mean a technical, you should be a programmer, I mean to say. It is something like we should understand where it goes. Let's say you have, I think you only told, I believe you have COPA tables, the data, everything. How many tables we have?
Yeah, I'm familiar with that.
Yeah, how many tables you have in the ECC? Let's say you have 100 tables in my ECC. These 100 tables, we create an extraction structure and we store it everything in one cube. If you ask me, a cube contains 100 tables, can you name the tables? I don't know. Why? Because all 100 tables, I just pick the fields, which field is valid for me to create a cube, and I create a structure. That structure will become my cube. Now, on top of my cube, I have another layer called BPC. You are asking me to go back to ECC. Now how many layers I have? I have BPC layer. It's a multi-dimensional layer. Inside the multi-dimensional layer, if I dig back, I have a cube layer. If I have a cube layer, if I dig back, I have an extraction structure. If I dig back, I have an ECC. Is it possible if you ask? Yes, it is possible. I can do that. Only thing is we should take time to understand the entire structure like this. And if you ask, can you transfer the data back to ECC? Answer is no, we will not do that. Does this make sense for your question?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Any other question?
Yeah, for you was telling that we do not have the IDAS some files that you are showing that. If we have the IDAS, can we download that files in our system? Or is there difficult things?
No, what exactly the meaning of IDAS for you? Are you talking about
I have one
ECC
server.
IDAS?
No. I have one server for ECC.
Mm-hmm.
But for the practice of BPC, do we need another server, or can we put something in our IDAS ECC6?
No, you need another server.
Another server.
BPC server is completely different. If you have a BW server, now the version of a BW is 7.3 or a 7.4. On top of the 7.3 or a 7.4 version of a BW, we are going to add the components of 10.0 and 10.1 respectively.
Okay.
It is a separate server.
Okay.
It is on top of the BW server.
Okay.
ECC may contain BW component. I'll brief each and every component whatever you want in entire SAP world, including start from an ACC till mobility.
No, I don't want to. I'm not a technical person. But reason of asking is that, do I have to buy another server?
Yeah. Simple
This
answer.
answer is good. Yes.
Yeah. Company wise or individual wise, always answer is yes.
Yeah, my company I already have, but I want to buy it for myself.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
The answer is yes. Yeah. Please ask questions. No need to raise hand because right now I'm not talking, so your questions are better to you. Otherwise, we'll have a session tomorrow. We'll prepone it rather than waiting like this. I think you already to 9:34. 10:34, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Are we going to do that in 5 days or 4 days?
I prefer 4 days.
Yeah, because I am traveling on Friday.
It's not for the case you travel one way, which we need to think. If anybody is in a hurry to complete, you can complete in 10 days also.
Yeah, but then that way you cannot understand.
It's better to have some time and spend time with me. I will just talking nonsense sometimes. I will also hear everything from you guys. So let's go with 4 days.
Yeah, but I'm traveling on Friday. That's I just told you I'm not available on Friday.
Yeah. No, in my mind, it's already always 4 days. I don't know you are traveling or not. I thought that way because 4 days.
Okay. 4 days, okay.
And the 5th day, what will happen is 5 days and only 2 more days, only holidays. Sometimes what to do, we don't know that. Better to have a system and have a look at least 1 day. If you are using it. Yeah, okay. 4 days, my choice is 4 days always. Any other questions? Mohan, Gandhi, Anju?
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
So if we can prepone by 1 hour, that would be fine tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow what we will do is we'll prepone it. I hope Aarti or Srikanth able to hear this. Otherwise, I'll ping them. Okay, what we will do is I will ask them to prepone 1 hour. I hope it is okay with everybody.
Yeah, it was difficult for me, but it's okay. I'm in Central Time.
Okay.
But not impossible. Difficult doesn't mean if all other peoples are agree, I'm also okay. For
Let's say in another way, in 1 hour, I'll 45 minutes early. Is that okay? 50 minutes grace for you?
no, whatever the other peoples, I'm agree with that. Because I left at 6, so I can reach home at. I have to go to hotel, so 6:30 I can reach there.
Okay. Okay. Instead of 1 hour early, I'll say 45 minutes early. Yeah.
Okay.
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 At least 15 minutes grace you will get. You can reach.
Okay.
Okay, sure then. I'll just prepone to 45 minutes. Tomorrow onwards, I'll just only go via screen.
Okay.
For some time. Not any course contents, please. You get course contents anywhere in the world.
Okay, that's
Thank
fine.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you for attending. Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.
See some.